Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add fade out and fade in effect to your video on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have already opened my InShot application on my phone, and I'm going to open my video draft first. So I'm going to tap on the video button. Then this is my video draft. So I'm going to open it and wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and to add the fade out or fade in effect, we're going to tap on the animation option. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the animation button. This one, tap on the animation, and we're going to put the fade in effect. This one, so we can tap on the in button. Then we can select the fade, and we can adjust the duration right here. And for example, I'm going to increase the duration like this. And for the fade out animation, you can click on the out option, then select the fade. Okay, and adjust the duration as well. I'm going to increase the duration, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. And now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the final result guys. And alright guys, that's how we can add a fade out and fade in effect to our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.